only model this CAM or the later drop-off-love model only in Fusion 360 and it has not yet been manufactured. If you see the assembly drawings that we had previously seen, they are pretty easy parts, these individual parts which can very easily be manufactured. But the considerations for manufacturing would be totally different from what we have seen while modeling. For example, this hole might actually need some gap or some element so that this follower actually moves freely. Or it might be that here it should be connected to a crank so that it rotates freely. And also here we need some recess. And also in this pockets, how will this be seated in this pocket of the bottom support? So all these considerations while you're manufacturing, they have to be looked into. But because it's only a solid model that I have created, I did not pay any attention to them. But it is overall going to be the same model, but manufacturing considerations will be little different from what we are doing while creating virtual products.